Coccidiosis is a disease that affects poultry birds when they ingest the oocyst of cocci through infected litter and water. One of its earliest symptoms is dysentery or bloody diarrhea. This eventually leads to the birds dying in large numbers. Chronicox is a feed additive which contains phytogenic extracts and supports the birds to develop resistance against coccidial infection. It works at the cellular level to stop hemorrhages and reduce inflammation in the ceca and intestine caused by the protozoa infection. It helps the birds to rebuild the epithelial tissue in the intestine and the ceca. It removes the infection and it improves the immunity of the birds. Chronicox is available in two forms, as a powder and syrup. Each has different applications. We recommend using the powder in the finisher feed, in the broilers. It should not be used in the pre-starter and the starter feeds. In the pre-starter and the starter, we recommend any chemical that will take care of the coccidial infection. For complete protection, a shuttle program or rotation of chemicals and ionophores with Chronicox as a constant is best. The syrup can be used from the age of 12 days in water and as a preventative till the age of disposal. However, if symptoms of the cocci are seen, the dose should be given immediately. Use the Chronicox syrup at the rate of 7 milliliter per 100 birds. In case of severe crisis, a combination of Chronicox powder and feed and Chronicox syrup and water is advised. Chemicals and ionophores are commonly used to prevent and treat coccidial infection in poultry. However, the protozoa acquire resistance to them in both chemical and ionophore residues are eventually found in poultry meat. Use of Chronicox prevents the development of resistance. As Chronicox contains phytogenic extracts, it also leaves no residue in the meat, which makes it safe for human consumption. We have excellent reports on the benefits of using Chronicox. Birds become more alert, dysentery subsides, mortality is reduced, and they start eating food and drinking water. These are some of the many advantages of using Chronicox.